If you cook at home, you probably do these things every day, but do you know what they're called in English? Today, we're going to learn 30 cooking verbs using simple pictures so you can see exactly what each word means. Bake. Bake means to cook food in an oven. I'm baking a cake. Boil. Boil means to cook something in very hot water. I'm boiling the eggs. Fry. It means to cook food in hot oil. I'm frying the fish. Chop. Chop means to cut food into small pieces. Chop the onions. Slice. Slice means to cut food into thin pieces. Slice the tomatoes. Stir. Stir means to move food around with a spoon. Stir the soup slowly. Pour. Pour means to make a liquid flow from one container into another. Pour the milk into the cup. Peel. Peel means to remove the skin from a fruit or vegetable. Peel the potatoes. Grate. Grate means to rub food against a grater to make small pieces. Grate the cheese. Mix. It means to combine different ingredients together. Mix the ingredients well. Knead. Knead means to press and fold dough with your hands. Knead the dough until it is soft. Whisk. Whisk means to beat or mix something quickly with a whisk. Whisk the eggs together. Sprinkle. Sprinkle means to scatter small amounts of something over food. Sprinkle some cheese on top. Squeeze. Squeeze means to press something to get liquid out. Squeeze some lemon over the fish. Crack. Crack means to break something open. We often use it with eggs. Crack 2 eggs into the bowl. Season. It means to add salt, spices, or herbs to food. Season the chicken with salt and pepper. Roll. Roll means to flatten or shape dough by moving a rolling pin over it. Roll the dough carefully. Melt. Melt means to change something from solid to liquid using heat. Melt the butter in the pan. Heat. It means to make something hot. Heat the oil before adding the onions. Taste. Taste means to try food to check its flavor. Taste the soup before serving it. Grill. Grill means to cook food using direct heat. We're grilling the chicken. Roast. Roast means to cook food with dry heat, usually in an oven. I'm roasting the vegetables. Steam. Steam means to cook food using hot steam. I'm steaming the vegetables. Mash. Mash means to crush food until it becomes soft. Mash the potatoes. Blend. Blend means to mix ingredients until they become smooth. Blend the fruit with some milk. Drain. Drain means to remove liquid from food. Drain the pasta after cooking. Serve. Serve means to put food on a plate or give food to someone to eat. Serve the food while it's hot. Garnish. Garnish means to decorate food before serving it. Garnish the soup with some herbs. Simmer. Simmer means to cook something gently in liquid just below boiling. Let the soup simmer for a few minutes. Cook. Cook means to prepare food by heating it. I love to cook at home. And there you have it. 30 cooking verbs you can actually use in English. Don't try to memorize all 30 today. Choose 5, then use them the next time you're in the kitchen. Instead of just thinking, I'm making dinner, try saying, I'm chopping the onions. I'm frying the fish. I'm boiling the eggs. I'm seasoning the chicken. The more you connect English to things you already do every day, the easier English becomes. If you enjoyed this lesson, subscribe to Joan's English Academy for more practical English you can use in real life. Learn a little, use it every day, and keep going.